Hi, my name's Abby. Welcome to Quick Make on Cooking with Abby. For today's Quick Make, we're going to be making coleslaw. My dad made this one, but kids, you can definitely make this on your own. Maybe ask your parent for this part because it's a little dangerous. Take half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of dill, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Fully mix. Now that we have that incorporated, mix and chill for an hour before serving. And voila, your coleslaw. Visit cookingwithabby.com for all the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!